She needs 2 eggs, so, oh. Welcome back, y'all. Now we're coming out to clean the chicken pen. I gotta go get the shavings and I gotta find the rake. I hope it's not all the way down at the shed. I changed clothes real quick in case I get really dirty. The wind's picking up. We're supposed to get some snow tonight, y'all, maybe. You looking for your wheelbarrow? It's in the garage.
It's windy.
Yeah, it is windy, huh? You hear the wind chime blowing? Oh, I forgot to show y'all this. The other day, I got this at Tractor Supply. It's a little magnetic calendar. So you use these 2 little things to mark the month and the day. It was on clearance. It said for $11.99, but it actually was only $6. Whenever we got up there to ring it up, it rang up for just, I think it was $5.98. It's so cute. It's got the little girl with her chickens. Where is that rake? How'd you get that over the water?
I don't know. Eggs.
We got eggs?
Yeah. Hey, the warning away from me. 3 eggs.
3 eggs. Thank you, sir.
Go, Mammy, go.
Well, it's sleeting. Okay, y'all, we've been back inside for a little while now. Plans for supper have changed. I was gonna make either beans and cornbread or a hamburger hash casserole, but everybody's in the mood for patty melt, so that's what we're gonna have. I'm just gonna do some homemade fries. These are, I'm just gonna pretty much make these like fried potatoes. I'm just gonna cut them into French fry shapes.
Oh, I just see you with the binoculars.
You see me with the binoculars? Hey! And I'm leaving the peelings on. I just washed them really good. Once I get them sliced up, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oil over here. And I'm gonna try to cook the hamburger patties and stuff out on the Blackstone. We just had Big Mac snack wraps last night and everybody's still wanting burger type things, but it's pretty windy out there. I hope that I'll be able to get it done. I mainly want to do it out there because I want to toast the Texas toast for the patty melts out there too, so. This is about to get loud. Oh, not too bad. It did start sleeting out there a little bit, but then it stopped, so maybe that's all we'll get. I mean, I wouldn't mind seeing some snow, but the ice, I don't want the ice.
I don't see the fires. Okay, it is cold.
Well, there's 2 houses, and so
Did you see the windshield wipers?
Okay, y'all, it's a little while later. We got the kitchen cleaned up from supper, and then lots of excitement started happening. The fire department had to come out because there's a power line hitting a limb, I think, or something, right across from us, and started smoking, all kind of stuff. So now they're out there turning they're gonna have to turn the power off of that pole or that line, whatever. I don't know if it's gonna turn our power off for a little bit or not. Hopefully not, but if they do, maybe it won't be for very long. I'm just glad we saw the sparks and saw it. The boys had told me that they thought they heard something outside earlier. They thought it was just like the limbs cracking, because these trees, they're so tall. When the wind's blowing, they make these really loud cracking noises, you know. They thought it was just that, but then I saw the sparks out the window, and so I told Titus, and then he was like, yeah, we need to call somebody and get them out here to get that fixed before a fire gets started. Approximately 10 minutes later, and yes, the power went out, didn't it, Manny?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find a flashlight. I think we have them in this closet.
Okay.
Here's one. Oh, yeah, here's your flashlight, Manny.
Okay.
Let me find the button for it. There it is.
Now I can see.
Now you can see. And I think there was a little light out here. Shine it out this door for me. I'm gonna get this other lantern.
But when the power went out, Daddy, I just got a flashlight. Or this will run out of batteries.
Yeah, it'll run out of battery. You got out of the bathtub just in time, huh?
Yeah, I just got my own flashlight then.
You do?
Yeah, this one. Once upon a time, there was a giant dinosaur stuck on our house.
Oh my goodness. Bring out the flashlights and he'll go to telling some stories. Welcome to Monday morning, y'all. It is now 2 days later. So Saturday night, we lost power whenever they were, you know, they had to cut the power off. Whenever they had to, we thought they were just gonna cut that limb off. They cut the whole tree down, y'all. What? They didn't cut the power back on until, it was after midnight. So at like, I'm trying to think of what time it was. I think it was around 7 or 7:30 when they first cut the power off. And then they left. Like after they cut the power off, they left for a little while. So we figured they're having to go get whatever they're gonna need to do, you know. They're having to go get supplies or something. So we waited for just a little bit, probably like 45 minutes to an hour, I guess. They still weren't back yet, so we called the number then that'll tell you, you know, when they expect your power to be back on. They said 11. By this time, I think it was like 8:15 or so. So Titus and the boys got one of the generators. We have a big generator and a small one. They just got the small one and hooked it up so that we could hook up the electric fireplace and a couple of lamps. So we just played games and ate our little Valentine's Day treats that we made. It was pretty fun. And then the kids went on to bed. 11 o'clock rolled around, still no power, but we could hear them out there working on the stuff. So, you know, we knew they were working on it then. Around, I think 11:30 or so, we started hearing the chainsaws. So we were like, okay, they're just cutting the limb down. It'll be back on in just a little bit. Then we heard a huge thud. Me and Titus both looked at each other and we were like, did they just cut the whole tree down? Yes. Yes, they did. Anyway, it's Monday morning now. It rained a lot yesterday, but no snow. Just that little bit of sleet, and that was all we got. Oh, I'm sorry, there's something on the camera. Look at that, all blurry. Good morning, Miss Turkey. It's a pretty day. They're excited. They didn't get out much yesterday because it was raining pretty much all day, and we didn't get home from church until about 3. Roosty, you be nice. He's just excited, that's all. I'm gonna get them some feed, and then I'll get the eggs out. I know what you want this morning, Roosty. Come on. Oh, we're gonna have to go get the other bag of feed. I'll give y'all what's in here and then I'll fill it up. Miss Turkey, first in line today. I'll put it right here for you. Let's see if I can spread it around so everybody gets a little bit till I get back. So there's the tree, top of it, that used to be way up there. It is now down there. But yeah, it's gone now. I wonder what they're gonna do with the wood from it, cause like Titus could totally let that wood dry out and build some things, make some things. I mean, it would take a long time. It has to dry out for a very long time, but anyway, I'm gonna get the chickens some more feed, grab the eggs, and go in and make waffles for breakfast this morning. I was gonna do heart-shaped waffles, but I could not find my heart-shaped cookie cutter to save my life. I've been looking for that thing and looking, and I cannot find it. I know I had like 3 of them, I think, 3 different sized hearts, you know. Can't find them. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. You have a lot of Valentines, huh? Hope you went to the store, got them something, little chicken treats. There you go, sir. I forgot the eggs. One good thing about this weirdly made Amazon hoodie, I told y'all the other day that the hood is huge and the sleeves are too short. The pocket is also huge, the little front pocket thing. Perfect for carrying the eggs. All right, let's go make some waffles. We're gonna use some of this complete pancake mix that I've been trying to use up for the waffles. This is just the kind that you have to add water to. All you have to do to turn it into a waffle mix is add a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil and an egg. Well, depending on how much you're making. I have 2 cups of mix in here. And then just the water, like you normally would. Or you can do milk too instead of water. Manny was awake when I got back in and somebody put him on a VeggieTales. Do you know where the heart cookie cutter is, Cece? I cannot find that thing. I don't know where it's at. Anyway, since we can't find the heart cookie cutters, we will do some more of the little heart strawberries. Now these have already been washed. Normally I don't wash them before I put them in the glass jar in the refrigerator because they'll keep longer if you don't wash them. But we washed up a little bit too many the other day when we made the brownies. So these are already washed and ready to go. You want a pancake with holes? He calls waffles pancakes with holes. If you ask him does he want a waffle, he'll say no. But if you ask if he wants a pancake with holes, he says yeah. And we have some of the homemade whipped cream that we made. I can get 3 out of this one. That was a big strawberry.